Hi, in this video I'm going to show you and demonstrate to you behind the scenes a real life example how to publish an ebook to Kobo. Shout out to Kobo, fantastic website and platform for self-publishing for authors and publishers out there. Let's get started. Ebook title is working on my book for my independent publishing brand slash business, HowExpert. Go check it out if you want to on all platforms. Title is HowExpert Guide to Moths. Shout out to the writer slash author Jessica Dumas. Ebook subtitle for right now, for example purposes, it may change possibly. Okay, it's 101 tips to learn about interesting fun facts, lessons, and tidbits about moths. Now, I do have to make a little change here. Subtitle for sure is going to be 101 plus because I did take a look at the book. Quickly was, I believe, 101 plus. So anytime there's like 120 tips, 130 tips and whatnot, sometimes there is, and that's fine with my writers and authors and whatnot. For HowExpert, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do subtitle 101 plus instead of 101, okay? Because we gotta be accurate, and it sounds good to be plus too sometimes. Anyhow, authors, HowExpert, primary author, okay, and Jessica Dumas, author, okay. Let's go. Publisher name, imprint, okay. That's the company and whatnot. You can skip it, optional. Is this the first time you're publishing a book? Yes. I already. Well, this is for. I'm setting it as a draft, okay. Upload the book cover. 1 second. There you go. Shout out to my designer. How Expert Guide to Moss. 101 tips to learn the essential lessons about moss from A to Z. How Expert with Jessica Dumas. And the image is from the website called Deposit Photos, where you can get it as an entrepreneur, business owner, freelancer, or whatnot. Any image that you have the right to use after you buy it, okay? Either a personal account or business account. Start with the regular account, which is personal account, I believe. But if you use it a lot, I believe they contact you and use a business account. That's what I have. It's a little bit more, double the price and whatnot, but it's okay. Like it's good. It's good, and they even give deals sometimes. Anyhow, ebook ISBN, EISBN. 1 second. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the ebook ISBN there. Boom. Primary print ISBN. 1 second. For primary primary print, I usually use the paperback option instead of a hardback because most people tend to buy the paperback. I mean, the categories you get to pick 3. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is click on nonfiction. Most of the time, nonfiction goes straight to that first, right? Unless you're some other category. Nonfiction, and I like to go to nature. Generally speaking, I look for it. Sometimes they don't have it. And so maybe under home and garden, from my experience. Maybe not. The home. No, they might not have it, man. You know what I mean? They might not have it. So if that's the case, is there animals or reference? Worst case scenario, I have to use reference, okay? General and reference and whatnot, okay? This is going to be not... Oh, science and nature. Just missed it. Okay. Pets. What about just general nature and insects? Earth sciences. This is interesting, isn't it? Yeah, you can go deep into this. Seriously. This. Yeah, this takes a little bit of time, man. Nature. Environment. Animals. Insects is probably here. Are you serious? That's interesting. Insects. There you go. Pets. And then I like to do a separate category, not in all in one category, so you can reach out to all bases. You know what I mean? So that's why instead of using pets here as a sub category, I just if there's another category for pets, I'll go for that one and click on maybe a reference. I usually like to go with general and whatnot because it reaches the bigger one. It doesn't matter, man. But I just go with general, and then if I need another one, maybe reference, something like that, okay? Try to be close as possible to all the platforms. That's what I do, okay? Save and continue. Okay, I need the description right now. I don't have the full description yet, but time purposes, 1 second. Got it. Save and continue. Great. I'm going to add the book, upload it, upload the temporary version. I'm still going to upload it and revise this in the final stage later. The good thing about publishing independently, directly, either as an author and or as a publisher, independent publisher, is you can revise things anytime. Okay, I'm uploading just a draft right now. It's not the final version. Don't worry, it won't be published. Okay, upload complete. Fantastic. Go next. Apply digital rights management. It's for protection purposes, so I always go for it. I've done that from day one. Okay, geographic rights all worldwide. Maximize your sales. Available for Kobo Plus? No, I skip it because that means you got to go exclusive with Kobo. Okay, you can't go all platforms wide. Generally, I like being wide. Then you don't have to depend on one platform, and you kind of build a skill set of also being an entrepreneur slash business owner per se, to doing all aspects of that business, not just that one skill set per se, right? Technical skill. Available for libraries on over. I click yes, okay, because that's the option that I go directly libraries with. The price is usually 3 times higher for libraries, I heard, so I go with $29.99 instead of $9.99. Save and continue. Everything else $9.99, and all the conversion rates. The other regions naturally convert naturally. Now I can end it in $13.99. I'd like to do it if I have a computer, but right now I don't. So that's what I'm going with right now. Save and continue. Publish a book. If I want to do it, I would do that. Okay. But right now, this is preparation, drafting, training. Okay. And real life example. How to set up a book and setting it up, how to set it up before you publish. You still got to set it up, right? Right? You got to draft it. You got to fill in the details. That's the process. This is the most important. This is the only thing I don't have is the final ebook file and the final cover file. That's the only reason. Everything else is good to go. I'll revise maybe the subtitle, the description. That's pretty much it. Everything's set up. That's the good thing about just preparing in advance. Then you don't have to do all this work later on, which is another whole, sometimes a big portion of your work. Now you can definitely delegate it. That's recommended if you want to do it that way. Certain things you want to delegate, certain things you don't. You want to think about the pros and cons of everything and go from there. I chose to do this on myself, and that's cool. So that's pretty much it. The final training, that's how to publish to Kobo. Okay, step by step, real life example, video training. Okay, for my publishing business slash brand, HowExpert, for this book, HowExpert Guide to Moths. Shout out to the writer slash author, Jessica Dumas. Thanks for watching the video. I gotta go. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.